Hi everyone! So I love creating beautiful pictures and collages for social media as well as scrapbooking. So in this video, I'll be sharing how I create all these beautiful collages right on your phone without having to use any fancy programs like Photoshop. I'll be partnering with Picsart, which is an app I absolutely love using. So let's get started. First thing, of course, is to download the Picsart app on your phone from Google Play or iTunes. It's completely free to download, but it does have some in-app purchases if you really want to go all out on your pictures. Once you download the app, you open it and there are a ton of templates that you can choose from. And I love the fact that it has all of these templates because it makes it really easy because you don't have to think too hard about what you want to create. You can just select a template, upload your pictures like what I'm doing, and then play around with different images, text, and even stickers. And I got a couple really good ones, so I am adding in the ones that I love the best, and I really love how it turned out. Next up, you can create collages in the app, and I'm creating one using 3 pictures, and I ended up choosing this hexagon looking one because I think it was so different and unique. And then I'm adding my pictures and just repositioning it so that it all fits in really nicely. And then of course I'm going into the sticker section of the app, and this time I searched the word quotes, and I ended up choosing this one that says today is the perfect day to be happy. And I love using quotes because it makes it look all fancy without even trying to have fancy fonts or lettering. And then I'm going into the stickers again to choose this banana leaf print because it matched my dress. And then I searched leaves and peony to create this little piece on top here. And that is it. It literally looks as if I spent hours making this collage, but it literally took me a few minutes. It's so easy and addictive, I might add. And then I always save it to my phone. And I will show you how I print it after, so just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going into the spring templates now, and I chose this template, and I'm adding my picture now. And then there are also a ton of different free backgrounds that you can choose from, or you can save your own backgrounds from Pinterest, which is what I did in this case. So I added this beautiful banana leaf print to the back, and then I found a cute quote which says, "Do what makes your soul happy," and it literally looks like a magazine layout. I am so obsessed with this one. I don't know which one is my favorite. I can't choose. They're all amazing. Okay, so I'm making another little picture image layout here. So I added my own picture, and then I'm going to add the quote which says, "You are my sunshine," which is something that I always say. And then I added a pitter-patter little heart at the bottom end, and then saved it to my phone. Okay, so next up, I'm going into the love templates, and then I chose this layout, and I'm adding my own pictures to it. And then I also saved these peony images from Pinterest, and then I'm adding it into my collage like this. I searched love quote, and I found this really nice kind of layout. It looks like if it's from a dictionary, and I think that looked really cool. It looked really fancy for a scrapbooking image, so I saved that to my phone as well. And for my next template, I'm using this one, and then I ended up scrolling through the free backgrounds to choose this kind of pink cherry blossom type background which I liked. And then I took this quote which says, "A good life is a collection of happy moments," with a little paper plane because it was at the airport. And I don't know, I love how these are coming out. It's really so much fun, as you can see, and it does not take much effort to do at all. So for this one, I'll be using frames, and that's another idea that you can do in the app. And I chose this sparkly type frame, and then I'm just adding this quote which says, "Live in the moment." And for the last image, I'm using this template here, and I'm also going to add a frame which says, "Live, laugh, and love." And there's also this really cool option in the app where you can use a brush, and the brush can have like different patterns on it. So I'm choosing this flower pattern and adding borders around my picture, and I think that really complemented it a lot. So those were the images that I made, and I saved all to my phone and then sent it to my computer. And then I opened a Word document and dragged them all in and resized them so that it won't be too big, and it will make it easier for me to print them. You can use gloss paper, cardstock, paper, anything that you have at home. Don't stress because it's going to look amazing, as you can see here. So I have all of my images that I printed from my Word document, and the images look so gorgeous. It literally looks as if I spent hours and hours on them when I really just played around on an app on my phone, which is crazy. And I really loved how everything turned out, so I hope these little tutorials helped you. So I'm going to actually show you how I use these images to scrapbook in a little bit, so hang tight if you want to see some scrapbooking tips that you can use. I'm also using my Happy Planner paper cutter. I think it's from me and my big ideas. I'm not sure, but I will link it in down below so you can go ahead and check that out. But once I have it all cut down to size, it looks like this. And I absolutely love how it looks. They look so professional. They look so high quality. And it's from an app on my phone, which is insane because I didn't have to use any fancy photo editing program like Photoshop or do anything crazy. So if you want to try out PicsArt, I will have the link down below that you can check out and make beautiful images like these. So I hope I inspired you with some of these. But now it's time for me to show you how I actually use them in my scrapbook. So this is my scrapbook and I'm just taking a sheet out from it. And I love using mini scrapbook papers because it's so easy because I don't really have to cut them down to size. And right now I'm just choosing a background that I like. And I love contrasting images. So in the end I went with this black and kind of pink one and I stuck it to my page. And I love using tape glue because it makes everything so much easier and not messy at all. And I stuck my PicsArt image and then I added a few stickers to the side of it like this just to make it look more complete. But this is how it looks, and the image itself looks like a complete scrapbooking work of art, which I love. Okay, so for this one I'm using this collage, which is one of my favorite images that I did, and I'm using this pink and white polka dot scrapbook paper that I'm sticking at an angle because I think it just looks really cool and different. And then I also layered my PicsArt image on top and then added this adventure sticker, and that is how easy it was to create this beautiful spread. So for the last image I was kind of choosing between the colorful one and the ocean-like one, but in the end I just love contrasting my images, so I went with the colorful one and then stuck my collage onto it. And this is one of my favorite pictures. I absolutely love how it turned out. And then I'm using my Me and My Big Ideas pocket pages sticker things, and I found this one that says OMG, and then I have these little cardstock cutouts and I added the one that says best ever to it, so it looks like this. And that is basically how they all turned out. And as you can see, the images from PicsArt really made them pop and really made it look as if I spent hours on my scrapbook, when in fact it was just a few minutes on an app on my phone. Okay, so that is insane and I absolutely love how it turned out. So don't forget, the link to PicsArt is down below if you want to download it and try it out. Definitely share your images with me if you do use it. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it and if you want to see a lot more like these. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there's so much more content coming your way. So thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.